Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, heads-up display, power folding rear seats. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.